guys, alright, welcome to my show. Yes, you are very welcome. Thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make delicious recipe. Alright, today I'm gonna make black bean soup. Alright, this dish is for vegetarian, or if you are in diet, or for anybody who enjoys black bean soup. Very good. Hey guys, if you want a good soup, you're gonna need a very good recipe, right? Please don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Alright, I will be right here to entertain you. Very good, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, that's exactly what I need to do this delicious black bean soup. Please bring the camera together. It's very easy recipe. Alright, anybody can do it. Alright, you can do this black bean soup with fresh beans, or you can do already cooked. At this time, I'm gonna make already cooked. Alright, so it's easier to do it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Alright, this is my olive oil. I have 1/8 a cup of olive oil. Very good. Alright, let's warm up this oil. Alright, and I'll be back very shortly. Welcome back. Alright, hey guys, would you like to cook with me? Alright guys, let's go. Very good. Alright, my oil is ready. Alright, so now I'm ready for my next step. My next step is gonna be my garlic. I have 1 head of garlic finely chopped. Alright, very good. Bingo! Alright, very good guys. Beautiful, alright. Alright, my next step, it's gonna be my onions. Alright, I have 2 onions, medium-sized onions. Alright, very good. Alright, medium-high flame. Alright, let me stir this a little bit. And it starts to smell all over my kitchen. Alright, very good. Alright, let's cook this garlic and onion halfway there. Alright, and I'll be back very shortly. Alright, very good. My garlic and my onion is ready. Alright, and it smells all over my kitchen. Alright, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, my next step now is gonna be my black beans. Alright, I have 4 large containers. Right, each container is 28 ounces. Very good. Alright. Very good. Bingo! Alright, very good guys. I have 2 more to go. Beautiful. Alright. Beautiful. Very good. Alright, let me stir this a little bit. Alright. Beautiful. Alright, so my next step now is gonna be my oregano and my salt. Oregano, I have 1 tablespoon of oregano and 1 tablespoon of salt. If you need more salt, just add it. Alright, that's when the colors and the flavor comes together. Alright guys, beautiful. Alright, my next step, it's gonna be my, here now, close to me, I have a chicken broth. Alright, I have 1 package. Very good. Right, plus I have 1 Sazon with saffron. Alright, 1 package also. Alright, let's open this. Very good. Beautiful. Right? So my next step now, it's gonna be my black pepper. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, don't use. Right, please bring the camera together. Right? My next step now, it's gonna be my Old Bay. I have 2 Old Bay leaves. Very good. And my next step now, it's gonna be, I have 1 bunch of cilantro, finely chopped. All right. Scoop this a little bit. Beautiful. All right. And I have 1 stick of scallion. Beautiful. Finely chopped. All right. So now let me stir this a little bit. Very good. All right. Beautiful. All right. My next step now, it's gonna be my water. I have 1 cup of water. If you guys need more water, just add it. Beautiful. All right. Let me stir it very well. Now I'm gonna cover and just let these babies cook. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. I see you very shortly. All right, guys, time to check. All right, it smells all over by EJ. All right, very good. Ooh la la! All right, beautiful. Very good. All right, guys, let's cook this. All right, beautiful. Let's cook that. All right. So now I'm gonna show you how to make delicious drink. All right. Today I'm gonna make vodka tonic. All right. It's gonna bring the flavor together. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Let's go. All right, guys. That's exactly what I need to do this delicious drink. That's very easy to do it. Anybody can do it. All right. So let's start this. You need 2 glasses like this. Right. So you need a lot of ice. Usually I like a lot of ice in my drink. Right. So very good. Right. A little bit more. Good. All right. More. Very good. Bingo. All right. Very good, guys. So now what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need a vodka. You guys can use any brand you like it. I'm using my favorite. All right. You're gonna need a half vodka. All right. All right. I'm gonna make 2 drinks. All right. All right. Let's go. Beautiful. All right. If you guys want a little bit stronger, why not? All right. Just use more vodka. Very good. All right. So now I'm gonna get my tonic water. Right. So you do it on the half. Beautiful. All right, a little bit more. Beautiful. All right, so what we're gonna do is, let me mix it up a little bit here just to, all right. Very good. So we're gonna need the lemon, all right? So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna cut the lemon, right? This way. This way, and you cut right here. You do 2 pieces, right? And you have to squeeze and drop. Very good. Get another one there. Very good. Bingo! Alright! Alright guys, let's mix it up just a little bit more. Alright? Beautiful. Right? Beautiful. Alright guys, this is my vodka with tonic water. Alright. Two beautiful drinks. Alright? One is for me and another one for the cameraman. Alright. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid guys. Alright, let's go. See you very shortly. Cheers. Hey guys, I almost forgot. Time to check. Ooh la la! All right, very good. It smells all over my kitchen. All right, it's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. All right, guys. Sheesh! It's almost ready. I'm gonna let this baby cook for 10 more minutes. All right, and I'll be right back. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey, guys. All right, very good. Hey, guys, I'm gonna show you the final product. All right, please bring the camera together. All right, it's very, very easy to do it. All right, black beans soup. All right, very good. Very, very easy to do it. For you, vegetarian, all right, you're gonna love it. Or for anybody who's in diet, all right, this soup is delicious. All right, hey guys, try this recipe. All right, I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys. Cheers.